You're not tired, you're empty. You keep telling yourself you're tired, but you're not. Sleep doesn't fix this. A day off doesn't fix this. Even a vacation doesn't touch it. Because what you feel isn't exhaustion, it's emptiness. You've been pouring yourself into everything: work, people, distractions, noise, trying to feel something real again. But the truth is, you've been running on empty for a long time, smiling when you don't feel it, showing up, but not really being there, living, but not alive. And the world will tell you to keep going, push harder, do more, be more. But it never tells you where to refill. Because what's missing isn't more effort, it's God. You weren't built to run without Him. That void you feel, that weight you carry, that silence inside you, that's your soul asking to be filled with something real. So no, you're not tired, you're empty. And until you go back to the only one who can fill you, you'll keep searching in places that were never meant to satisfy you. Step back, be still, let Him restore you.